We get asked a lot by people who are new to brewing espresso at home how to make their espresso taste better. What are some tips that we can give them to help them improve it tomorrow?
So yeah, this is a great question, and it's really easy to get stuck going down the rabbit hole of all these possibilities when you're making espresso.
Yeah, things you can change.
Yeah, so I think it's important to simplify. Very broadly, you have to have good equipment, good beans, a good recipe, and a good grind size. With good equipment, there is a lot of espresso equipment out there, and not all of them are created equal. We sell Breville machines on our website. There are La Marzocco machines that you can buy for your home. You can get as fancy as you want, but you have to make sure you're doing the research to get good equipment.
There are a lot of coffees you can choose for espresso. There is not a particular espresso blend that you need to be looking for. You can really put any coffee through espresso, but you might want to consider a coffee that is a little bit darker for something that will stand up better in milk and give you the rich tones. Our late night and belly warmer blends are made especially for that. If you're looking for something a little more bright, our Pink Lady is actually 2 Ethiopian coffees that we blend together, and it has enough body to still stand up with the milk, but adds a little bit of brightness to it.
And then a recipe. A classic 1-to-2 ratio is a great starting point for espresso. 1 parts coffee to 2 parts water. The amount of coffee that you use should be dictated by the size basket in your portafilter. It'll be on your user manual. You can ask customer service. You can reach out to us and show us what you got, and we can talk to you about it. But however much coffee you are using in your portafilter, a nice go-to is double the amount of that in the volume of espresso that you're pulling. So if I am using 20 grams of coffee, I'm going to pull a 40-gram shot of espresso. Grind size dictates how slow or fast the water is moving through the bed of coffee. And that is what dictates your extraction, how good your coffee tastes. So dialing in your grind size so that you can have that 1-to-2 ratio and pull your shot, I would say somewhere between 25 or 35 seconds. If you want to really narrow it down, 27, 32 seconds. And then you have a good shot of espresso. Then it's up to deciding what coffee you want. You can sort through all the coffees and figure out what flavor profile you're going after.
On our website, we categorize our coffees between classic, contemporary, and avant-garde. Classics are the rich, dark coffees. Avant-gardes are the crazy, esoteric, more funky, delicate coffees. And contemporary is kind of the middle of the road. So it's coffees that have some body and brightness. And honestly, you could choose any of those and they're gonna be awesome in espresso. So those are a few quick tips that will help you brew better espresso at home. If you have any more questions, leave a comment below, email us. We'd love to help you perfect your home espresso.